Good day, everyone. I am Mrs. Araceli A. Ramos, who will discuss to you about solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Here are the steps in solving quadratic equation by completing the square. So we have to solve a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx is equal to c by completing the square. So we need to transform the equation into the form x squared plus b over ax is equal to c over a. Then, add to each side of the equation the square of half the coefficient of x. Then, write the left side as the square of a binomial. Then next, we need to take the square root of each side of the equation. And last, solve the resulting linear equation. Here is example number 1. Solve x squared minus 8x minus 20 equals 0 by completing the square. So we have step 1. Move quadratic term and linear term to left side of the equation. So it will become x squared minus 8x is equal to 20. Then we have step 2. So find the term that complete the square on the left side of the equation. Add that term to both sides. Then it will become x squared plus 8x is equal to 20. So the half of 8 is equal to 4. Then square it. So it will become 4 squared is equal to 16. So we will add that 16 to the equation. So it will become x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals 20 plus 16. Step 3. Factor the perfect square trinomial and express it as a square of a binomial on the left side of the equation. Then simplify the right side of the equation. So we have x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 20 plus 16. So we need to factor x squared minus 8x plus 16. So we have x minus 4 and x minus 4 is equal to 20 plus 16. We have 36. Then we get the square of a binomial. So it will become the square of x minus 4 is equal to 36. Then we have step 4. Solve the equation by extracting square root. So we have the square of x minus 4 is equal to 36. Then if we apply extracting square root, so it will become x minus 4 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 36. Then x minus 4 is equal to positive and negative 6. Step 5. Solve the resulting linear equation. So it will become x minus 4 is equal to 6. So we will apply the addition property of equality. So x minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 4 to eliminate negative 4 on the left side. So it will become x is equal to 10. And another one, we have x minus 4 is equal to negative 6. So we have x minus 4 plus 4 is equal to negative 6 plus 4. So we use again the APE, addition property of equality. Then it will become x is equal to negative 2. Okay, so we have checking. If x is equal to 10, so we will substitute x is equal to 10 to our equation, original equation. X squared minus 8x minus 20 equals 0. So we have 10 squared minus 8 times 10 minus 20 is equal to 0. So we have the square of 10, we have 100. Then negative 8 times 10, we have negative 80 minus 20 is equal to 0. Then 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. Then 0 is equal to 0. Then if x is equal to negative 2, So, x squared minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. So, we have negative 2 square minus 8 times negative 2 minus 20 is equal to 0. So, negative 2 square, we have 4. Then, negative 8 times negative 2, we have a positive 16. Minus 20 is equal to 0. So, 4 plus 16, we have 20. Minus 20 is equal to 0. Then, 0 is equal to 0. So, both values of x satisfy the given equation. So, the equation x squared minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0 is true when x is equal to 10 or when x is equal to negative 2. So, the equation x squared minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0 has two solutions. X is equal to 10 or x is equal to negative 2.